All right, I got the Slash 4x4 out here. I haven't had it out here in a while. I had to make a lot of changes to the car because I kept eating up diffs. So this gonna be just a little, it's a little, I guess, test pass, but because of all the changes. So I'm gonna try to get one in. I don't know what happened there. This might not be good though, but let's see. Okay, I look clear. Start acting up, I have to stop it. Here I come. I stopped it. Oh, shit. Let's see if I can get it back. Let's just see what it did. All right, let's hit stop. Read 170. That's where it's at, 170. It's another 170 pass. The PB for this car is 171. But we're gonna work on that. I had to, I got the Azure lipos in there, just not the 2Ps, the regular Azure lipos. So we'll put the 2Ps on there and see what, you know, we can gain a few miles with it. But 170 is what I got. All right, I want to thank everybody for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.